All right, guys, I've got a major and very exciting announcement. So I am working on a full email marketing course showing you how my team generates millions of dollars per year in email revenue and how you can save thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours per month by leveraging AI to make the process even easier. And right now, the purpose of this video is to give you the chance to get a major discount on the launch price. So if you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that I've already put out hundreds of free videos. I'm going to continue to put out hundreds of free videos every year. So if you have no budget for a course or anything, that's totally fine. I'm going to continue to put out content. But there are a lot of people that I talk with who are kind of in this in-between stage where they don't have the budget to work with a really good agency, and maybe they're either stuck doing things themselves and they aren't quite sure what they're doing, or maybe they've worked with like some cheaper freelancers that are honestly doing more damage than they are providing any real value to managing their emails. And so this is going to be the solution for anyone in that camp. So the deal here that I'm offering you right now is if you sign up on the sign up form linked below, then you will get half off the launch price. And after the initial launch, I'm actually going to raise the price pretty significantly from that point. I haven't decided what the price is yet, but I am going to launch at a lower price point just to give everyone, who's around at that time, easier access. But then the price is going to go up because I'm also going to be continuing to expand the course and make it more advanced. So one thing, there are a couple things to know, is that no one will ever get this discount ever. Like no one else besides the people who sign up on the sign up form link below will ever get the course at this low of a price, okay? And no one else is getting early access. There's no one else. This is only for my YouTube subscribers. I'm not putting this out anywhere else. So you will be the first people to get access before the launch, and you will get it at the lowest price that anyone will ever get. And I am serious about this. I will delete this video, and I'm going to delete the sign up page. So if you don't sign up in time, that's it. If you email me and say, oh, I meant to, or blah, 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 I'm just going to ignore it. Okay. So if you're even somewhat interested, sign up now, because I'm telling you, I will delete this video. I will delete the sign up page, and no one will ever get this low of a price and will get early access. So now that I've got that out of the way, really quickly, I want to give you a little information about what to expect of this course so you can get an idea if this might be right for you or not. So who I'm making this for, I'm making this for really three categories of people. So one would be business owners who don't have the budget to hire an agency, and maybe you're doing email in-house, you're doing it yourself, something like that. And you could be anywhere from a total beginner who has no idea what they're doing. This is going to be very beginner friendly. Or you could already have some experience, but you actually just want to start to do things right and really take things to the next level. The next group of people would be freelancers who do email marketing for their clients. And this can really help you improve your skills. You'll be able to raise your prices. You'll be able to get way better results for your clients. And then the same thing applies to the third group, which would be marketing agencies that either want to add email marketing as a service within their total service offering, or they want to improve their current email marketing offering. And this course is going to be catered towards email marketing for e-commerce businesses. So if you sell things online, especially if you're using Shopify and Klaviyo, because those will be the tools that I am actually demonstrating in the course, then this is for you. Okay, and then as far as what's in the course, so I'll give you a kind of a break, or just a list of the modules right now. I'm not going to go into all the lessons, but each module is going to have about 3 to 5 lessons that actually take you step by step through how to do all this. So module 1 is a full breakdown of how to use AI to save time and money with email marketing. Module 2 is understanding your target audience. Module 3 is crafting compelling copy with AI. Module 4 is email design and layout optimization. Module 5 is personalization and dynamic content. So this is where we start to get a little bit more advanced. Module 6 is email automation and optimizing your sales process. Module 7 is driving revenue and engagement with email campaigns. Module 8 is A/B testing and continuous improvement of your email marketing sales channel. And then Module 9 will have some bonus AI trainings for just content marketing in general, just some things that I've learned that you can use towards all of your content marketing, email marketing included. And then just some last notes here on this course. So it's going to be comprehensive, so you won't need any other courses to do email marketing for e-commerce. So it's literally going to be, everything from developing the initial strategies to the actual step step-by-step execution on the tactics that are going to create the results. And this is going to be very actionable. Again, step-by-step video tutorials showing you exactly what to do. And I would say that this is going to be very beginner and intermediate friendly. So if you're getting started as a total beginner with no experience at all, we're going to show you exactly how to get started and set everything up. And then if you already have some experience, but you really want to take your game to the next level, then and you're more of like an intermediate email marketer, then this is really going to give you a lot of different tactics and strategies that either you aren't familiar with, or maybe you've just never figured out how to use the full capability of your email platform. So that's it for now. I want to keep this video short. Be sure to sign up at the link below so you can take advantage of your subscriber only discount, because again, once I delete this video, the deal is gone and you'll have to pay the same price as everyone else, which by the way is going to be a very affordable price point at launch, and then the price will go up pretty dramatically from that point on. So sign up now. And by the way, if there's anything that I didn't mention in that kind of overview of the modules, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want in this course, because I'm building it out now. So you have the chance right now to be involved in this and make sure that this is something that's actually going to provide real value for you, something that's really going to help you. So please leave your comments below of what you'd like to see in this course, and I'll let you know if I'm going to include that or not. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.